Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you another delicious way to make your crunchy buns, and for this I'll be using carrots. Yes, today we are making carrot buns, delicious buns with carrots. The taste of these buns is so good, so yummy. The kids love it. Everyone will love it. You will love it. And it is very easy to put together. So let's get started. So I'm showing you if you have some carrots, flour, eggs, with few other ingredients, you can make a delicious snack for the family. Let's get started. I'll start by cleaning, washing, and blending the carrots. Next, I'll transfer it into my blender and blend it with these 2 eggs, half cup of sugar, a tablespoon of butter, and half cup of water. Cover and blend it. We'll set it aside. I have here 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Into it, I will add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and I'm using powdered milk. You can use liquid milk in place of the water I used in blending the carrots. Then mix it. Then add the carrot mixture. So you're going to add it 1/2 cup of water again. I'll rinse my blender with the remaining half cup of water. Sugar. It will still take more water. This is this texture I have, and for this I used total of 1.5 cup of water, half cup for blending the carrot and 1 full cup for mixing it all together. So I'll cover it here for some minutes while I heat up the oil we're going to use to fry it. I don't want to overcrowd it. don't do that. This one is easier to move around because I did not overcrowd it. And here we have our carrot buns, very beautiful, crunchy on the outside and soft in the inside, and very, very, very delicious. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.